guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on these bone conducting earphones, and now this is how the earbuds look like, guys. I really like how they look super futuristic. The box also looks super cool and it's charged using a USB-C. As you can see in the back, it also comes included. Now let's talk a little bit about the earbuds, guys, because I do have to say a few things that what I think about them. Now these earbuds, guys, are honestly, they are super easy to wear. A lot of people say that they're not easy to wear, but for me they are. All you have to do is basically just put them in your ear cartilage here. So you just go like this and then it just sticks inside your ear, and that's how you can wear them. But as you can see, guys, my ear is already turning a little bit red, so I don't think they're the most comfortable earphones that you can have. But they are super easy to wear. They easily connect, so once you connect them to your phone once, you literally don't have to connect them again. All you have to do is just take them out, put them on, and they obviously connect. Now when you wear them, guys, you can actually hear the noise outside of it. So if you're like outside or running, you're gonna be able to hear everything. So if you like earphones where you can actually hear everything that's going around, they are perfect. But if you don't, they don't close out all of the noise. Also, another problem that I have with these earbuds, guys, and it may just be me, so whenever I put them on, I can only hear out of one earbud, but both of them work. So if I put one of them on, it works perfectly. If I put on the other one, it works perfectly as well. But when I put them both together, I can only hear through one of them. I've seen that some other people also had issues with that, so it may just be us. But the instructions don't come in English, so we can't actually read how to work them or anything like that. Also, whenever you're listening to music, the person beside you can actually hear what you're listening to as well, so you should take that into consideration. The sound quality is also very good, guys, but one, it does not block out the noise from your surroundings, and two, the person beside you can actually hear what you're listening to. But yeah, guys, that's basically everything that I had to say about these earphones. I really hope this was helpful and it helps you choosing your next earphones wisely.